What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today on Fitness with Frost, we're going over the Samsung Health apps. We're going over Samsung Health and the Samsung Wearable app. I got the Galaxy Watch 4 coming in, so I just want to break this down real quick so I don't have to put in that video. Let's go ahead, get right into it. So real quick, going into the requirements, if you have an Android device, anything 5.0 or better will run it with 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, and anything iOS 9.0 or better will run it, but the actual band, the Samsung band itself, will vary about what will work with a Apple device. So I am a Samsung user, so of course I have my Samsung apps right there. I'm gonna go right into Samsung Health. I was checking into it a little bit. Going into the home, this gives you everything about what you've been going on through your day, what your exercises were. You can go right into there, see what this one's all about, where your exercises were, how everything worked with it. And then you can actually put in your food and how many calories you want to put in. It's not the most advanced food tracking. I would definitely push you more towards the MyFitnessPal if you're looking to track your food, but it's something to keep you going. Then you can also go into your sleep. So I don't use this for my sleep tracking. I do use my actual Whoop band for that. But if you wanted to track it manually, you can go through here. Also, you can record your weight, see how it fluctuates, ebbs and flows throughout, where your heart rate is. You can go into stress and see where your stress was each and every day. This is a pretty good feature, especially if you are looking to bring down those stress levels. And not only that, there is stuff built into the actual app to help with that, but we'll get into that in a second. You can check your water throughout here. Since my Galaxy Watch 3 does blood oxygen, I have it right here, and even ECG data to let me know if I'm showing any signs of AFib. I'm not, but you can also use your watch for that as well. And they even give you some rings. They're heart rings, but that's kind of like your Apple devices, so it gives you something to strive for, and you can change that. Then also it has what kind of workout plans you have at the bottom. Again, we'll get into that in a second. When you're tapping on the top left to get into your profile, you can jump into that and change all that, where your activity levels are. Bouncing back from there, you can go into your achievements, how you've done throughout. I've had most steps, longest duration, stuff like that, all built right in. Again, going back, next thing you have are your weekly summaries, and geez, this really goes back a little while. I've been using them for a pretty long time, since 2017. Also, you have a For You. I'm not exactly sure what that means. I have no insight, so I guess nothing's for me. And then promotions as well. This is really all about them trying to sell devices to you. And then accessories. So this has, of course, your bands, but also other things that do connect. You have Garmin devices to go through bike sensors. A lot of things they're built in. So if you're ever looking for a specific band or anything like that, you can make sure to get the right thing to let you know it's going to connect with this app. Now getting it together, this is more the community base throughout here. I'm in one thing called Stronger Together, and this is just one of their more, monthly things that they do throughout. I won 5 stars. Yay, bringing me to level 7. If you're looking to gamify your fitness, this is something that can help a little bit. You can add friends, you have more challenges up here. You can actually start challenges with a team, with your friends, stuff like that. And that's just all built in. And if I wanted to get into Green Tea August, I'm just gonna go ahead and join right into it. Good luck, Green Tea Challenge. Awesome, there's a panda, fun. And now from that, this is probably one of the best features of the app, is the fitness feature. So you saw it built in at the bottom. This gives you an idea of what you want to do. You want to do kickboxing for weight loss? Awesome. You want to do some weight loss stuff? Awesome. You can kick into there and it gives you an idea what's new, what's for women. Got weight loss stuff, build muscle, balance training, endurance, running, and it's all by these specific providers right here. I mean, it is a South Korean company, so a lot of the fitness videos will go right to things, right into YouTube. And yeah, this is not English. But there are a lot of things, even though there's words of English that help you with stuff like that. So I'll be doing a little hip hop dancing workout, stuff like that. And, oh, well, let me go ahead and turn that off. So they have meditation stuff built into the app. So you have stuff like meditation that you can jump right into. Some of the stuff does go on premium. So if you ever wanted to go premium, you can either try the 1 week for free, or you can go right in and get Calm. This is kind of Samsung's partner for it. Not going to get into that, but there are stuff actually built in for free. So you can go into like calming here.
Hi, I'm Tamara.
So stuff that's going to kind of calm you down throughout. So again, built into the app, so that's cool as well. And then they even have stuff for women's health as well built in. So this is all free with the app, which is awesome. And when you're actually doing things like I want to get into my kickboxing thing, cool. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. It is unfinished right now, but I'm going to make up that workout. And as you can tell, it jumps you right back into it. So this is just the beginning. It's a little annoying. As you can tell, it's very robotic as far as the stuff is concerned, but you can start now, stuff like that, and going. And you can see it has your heart rate built in, because so it is connected to the app, letting you know my heart rate's at 80 right now. So this is really awesome. Everything built in, and if you have the watch, you can push right onto the actual workout itself. So again, this is pretty much everything built into the app. If you go to notifications, it'll let you know what is actually new with it. When in doubt, pedal out. Gives you a couple of mindfulness things if you ever need the actual updates. But there is a lot of things built into the app. If you ever need it, that's great as well. But there is a second app that Samsung uses as well, and it is the Galaxy Wearable app. So this is its new features and what it's all about. When you click it here, you have your auto switch, manage devices, stuff like that, help, and about Galaxy Wearables. Not really stuff you're gonna need. You can change your watch faces from here, so whichever particular band you're using, it's gonna shoot it right to that. You could change your app layout, and you can even add apps in from here as well. You would also need to go into the Galaxy store, and also your widgets. You can change out where your widgets are. You can add them. You can subtract them right from here. And you have your quick panel. This is the swipe down. It is specific towards your specific device, and you can add everything right there. You can get into your watch settings, your display, advanced. This is a lot of things, your notifications, sound, adding your images, your music, if you would like, go into battery saving modes, text to speech. I mean, it's a lot of stuff and a lot of ways to actually customize your band. There's even some lab features that I've never really, gesture controls that I'm not really a big fan of, accessibility stuff, and this is where you'll also be updating your band as well. You can even go into Find My Watch, but that does shoot you over to the Smart Things app, which is a Samsung app for like at-home things, and it gives you where the band was last, which is awesome, but that's not what we're going with. Tips and user manuals, and even getting into the Galaxy Store. This is where you can buy even more watch faces, exclusive themes, and you can actually buy apps through it as well, but you do have to like shoot through a lot of things. That's its own video. I don't think I'm ever really gonna get into. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, please smash that like button. And if you wanna see my newest tech reviews coming each and every week, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be the first ones to know when it comes out. But as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.